Hey everyone, and welcome back to another first look video from MTX. Now in this video, we're going to talk about an update to our universal audio kits, as well as look at the new additions to the family, so stay tuned. Okay guys, as you may know, MTX has offered a group of universal audio kits that can allow a customer to quickly add audio to an off-road vehicle that may not have something in the way of a vehicle-specific system available, or even in the case of wanting to just expand an existing audio system with additional speakers. Now, the core kits that we've offered have all included some common components between them, to include one of our MUD 100.2 two-channel amplifiers, one or two pairs of our MUD 65 CAN speakers, a 10-gauge power kit, and of course, a roll of speaker wire. Now, where these kits differed was how they either interconnected to an existing source or if the kit itself included a source. For interconnection options, we offered either a 3.5mm to RCA cable for connection to mobile devices or an RCA cable to connect to an existing system. In the kit that came with a source, it featured our MUD BTRC Bluetooth remote controller. This allows you to connect to your mobile device via Bluetooth and play your music wirelessly. Now, all in all, these kits totaled 5 different configurations. But now, let's take a look at what the next generation of kits holds. In our new series of universal audio kits, we have expanded the lineup from 5 kits to now a total of 12. Now, while the kits still feature the same core components as before, with the MUD amplifier and the 65PL speakers, we've also added additional source and interface options. First up, let's take a look at what the kits come with regards to the source options. As with the previous versions of our kits, we are continuing with our MUD BTRC Bluetooth audio receiver. Now, this compact receiver unit is designed to be mounted just about anywhere in a vehicle, and it comes with both a surface and flush mount options. The connections are simple for power and ground, and it interconnects to the amplifier utilizing the supplied 3.5mm to RCA cable. Now, the large tactile buttons make it easy to change volume and tracks even while you're riding with gloves on, and it's backlit for visibility at night. Now, one of the new additions to our family is our kit that features our AW BTSW all-weather Bluetooth switch. Now, this device is compact and designed to fit in a standard switch knockout found on most UTV dashes. And like the MUD BTRC, it also features large tactile buttons that allow you to change the volume and tracks easily. In addition to being able to connect via Bluetooth, the switch also features an auxiliary input connection in the form of a 3.5mm jack. The switch allows you to quickly change between these input sources, and more importantly, the backlight color of the buttons changes as well, giving you a visual indication of what source you are on, as well as lighting up the buttons for nighttime use. Now, the other source unit addition to our universal kits is our AWMC3 all-weather media receiver. Now, this full function unit features a large 3-inch full-color display, AM/FM tuner, auxiliary input, Bluetooth connectivity, USB input, and can be expanded with Sirius XM satellite radio by adding on a compatible tuner. Now, for output connections, it features both front and rear RCA connections, as well as amplified speaker connections. The unit is designed to be mounted in a 3-inch hole opening on the dash and includes all the mounting hardware that you need. Now moving on to the kits featuring interconnection options. We have 3 different ones in both single and dual pair speaker options. First up is our Ride Command integration kit, which features our PRC-AA Ride Command adapter. Now if you have a Polaris vehicle that has Ride Command and have been thinking of adding some audio to it, but didn't feel like a huge audio system was for you, then this kit is the perfect choice. Now using our PRCA Ride Command adapter, we create an easy and simple way to get the audio signal from the factory system into our MUD amplifier. All you have to do is locate the appropriate audio output in the factory harness and plug it in. This allows you to keep all the features of your Ride Command system while now getting to enjoy the audio. Now our next kit is our Universal Aux Audio Kit. Now, like our previous series, the kit features a 3.5mm to RCA adapter cable and is intended for customers who are looking to simply connect to and use their mobile devices for their audio source. Now you can route the cable connection to an accessible storage pocket or have it tucked away underneath your dash for when you go riding. But if you want a cleaner look while still being able to quickly plug in, you can also add our 3.5mm flush mount adapter for dash mounting to the system. Now the last integration option that we are offering is our add-on system, which comes with a pair of RCA cables. Now this kit is intended for adding audio onto an existing system that may already be in the vehicle. By simply connecting to an available pair of RCA outputs, this kit lets you easily expand the audio output of the system with 1 or 2 additional pairs of CAN speakers. And both the aux and add-on audio kits are great options if you already, for example, own one of our MUD series of sound bars, and if you're looking to add additional speakers to expand for a fuller and louder sound. Well, that pretty much wraps up our look at the newly updated Universal Audio kits. Hopefully this gives you some ideas of how you can quickly add audio to a machine of your own. For more information on these kits, go to our website at mtx.com, and most importantly, don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms for all the latest updates here at MTX. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.